Hi folks, welcome to another Nauti-Control update. In this episode I am going to show you how you can get your depth from your Seatalk using one of these Nauti-Control ST Wireless boxes. If you don't know what this is basically a device that plugs into the Seatalk bus. Seatalk bus is just 3 wires, so it's the older one, so it's the ST60s, things like that there. Primarily for autopilot control, and if you check out the other videos you'll see plenty of those on my channel. But in this episode I'm going to show you the other stuff, which it actually acts as a ST60 to NEMA 183 over Wi-Fi. So the first thing we're going to do is connect to the box that I have sitting running on the test bed. What I've done is actually put it, so I've got a tester, so what I'll do is I've got the tester up and running, and I've put 15 feet or something like that there on. So what I'm going to do now is connect to the Nauti-Control box, so you see it's connected there, just in the Wi-Fi, and then we'll go to Navionics. So I'm sure all of you have seen Navionics before, and you can see now it's showing up there. Now I have already this set up, so very simple. Menu, connections. So if you go into the menu, connections, and I'll stick a link up on the website, and I'll stick a link down below to that there, which will have screenshots, or maybe a bit clear. So I'm sure most of you have seen Navionics before. I've opened it up and you can see I'm getting 15 feet. That has come through from the tester on the Seatalk bus, and then it's coming through my ST Wireless. What you want to do if you want to get this set up is menu, and then paired devices, and then it comes up with this here, and then you just hit plus, and then open, and then add device at the bottom. And then you type in your name, host, port number. So this is, so I'll show you the one I've already done. So you'll see there, name's just Nauti-Control, host is 192.168.1.1, and the port number is 8091. Now the host may be different based on your setup, but the port number isn't configurable at the minute, so that should still be the same, and the names are relevant. Once that's up and running, you'll see connected, and it connects fairly quickly, and then if you go back in there you will see your depth sounding at the very top. So yep, all very simple. So that's another, if you do use Navionics, that's another useful one. So we actually stuck a link up on, or sorry, asked the question on one of my other videos. So yeah, I didn't think that Navionics showed depth, so interesting. So if you've got a Seatalk depth finder, an ST60 depth or something like that there, then this would be useful to you. Alright folks, thanks for watching. As I say, you can, if you haven't bought up one of these, you can get them on the website, and you can check out the other videos. They're a very useful box, and haven't had too many bad reviews so far. They are open source and you can make your own as well, and there's the source is up on GitHub. But yes, if you go over to the website, nauti-control.com, you'll get more info on all the setup stuff and all the rest. Alright, thanks for watching folks. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers, bye.